A life without God. God. Some people think that can't even happen or exist or be real because this thing is just there and permeates the essence of reality. It was never there. There. It didn't fit. It wasn't necessary. It still isn't necessary. It will destroy a conversation or a debate very easily with what ifs and what abouts. The fact is, before my generation, we learned so much. Our understanding became so thorough of how this planet came to be, how the Earth spins and why it spins. We learned about nuclear decay, atomic decay, and how matter itself just falls apart in some cases. We learned how these little tiny things we call elements, we call atoms, we call molecules combined together and made life itself beginning on this planet. If there was a miracle, when there was a miracle, I don't know. That's all I can say. But what we know is human civilization, humanity is trying to do something and go somewhere without a God. This threatens people. It doesn't mean you can't have culture and society and community. It means that you have to let go of ideas that hold humanity itself back. I don't know how you explain this. It just was never there. It's surrounded since childhood. Every neighbor had something different in the way on the mantelpiece or the fireplace. And their Christmases were different. And yet they all enjoyed and celebrated. So the commonality far exceeded the many gods that inhabited their houses, like ghosts almost haunting around, each one different in that place. So as you go through life, you just, yep, and you avoid these conversations. You close that closet door a little bit so people can't see inside of it all your life. And you're staring at amazement like, our earth is old. The chemical companies, the mining companies that create the precursor chemicals that we sit on that are inside of your cell phone cooking right now, those other things don't fit in the explanations of how it works. They are not necessary. They slow the explanation down. We understand viruses, immunities. We get better at understanding these. It's as simple and as hard as it is. Body of knowledge, human understanding, learning, being able to learn, being able to see a change and realize what affected it and how insidious these tax write-offs for faith are. But no, no, open that book up to chapter 77. Let's discuss.